Welcome back to building a house from trees. I'm gonna rot and cold. I feel like garbage, but not that bad. It's been a while. Thank you for tuning in. So I've been doing a bunch of plumbing. I'm actually standing half in the shower and half outside of the shower. As you can see, I've got a bathtub back here, a really big bathtub. I can't wait to have a soak in that and ease my tired back. Yeah, it's been a busy. I've been staying very, very busy down here. I've been working on the job site, not obviously, but full time still. But I've been able to make time down here to get plumbing done. I've had some help from some friends and neighbors, and that's been really wonderful. And yeah, it's incredibly exciting to get running water in sinks, and I've got a toilet here now, a functioning toilet, which is really nice and pretty close to. I've started to buy things like mixer valves, and I got a hot water heater, a boiler, on-demand boiler coming in, I think, pretty soon. And yeah, I'm going to start the video with I needed some more internal framing because framing inside chews up a lot of wood, so I dropped a big pine tree and I got the mill back from Uncle Brian and made a bunch of 2x4s, and I've got a bunch more to make. So been busy, I've been staying busy, and making good headway. Running plumbing is fun. I finally figured out the septic, the drains and all that, and got that squared away. It's really enjoyable, and I'm about to start doing electric. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in and sticking around, and hopefully you enjoy the progress and what I get going on here. Alright, we'll see you out there. Alright, well, here I am back with my logging costume on. I haven't done any cutting, I haven't run the chainsaw in a while, and I've kind of run out of 2x4s, and I specifically run out of 2x4s for framing inside the house, and it's astounding how quick I burn through them in the milling, in the framing process. So this nice pine right here, very proximal to one of my little woods roads here, so I'm going to plow out a path down to here so I can get the tractor right up into here, and I'm going to drop it. Let's see, I don't know which one I'm going to drop it quite yet. I might drop it over there. I might try to send it up back this way too. Maybe I'll try to do that back towards the house. I don't see why that wouldn't be a problem. Get rid of this guy first. See what we can get out of that. All right, get to plowing. Take two. There it is. Leverage. Yes. Like Archimedes said.
And just like that, it's not that simple, but we're real close to having some lumber, 2x4s. Getting that tree down and out of the woods was a little more complicated without the winch, but very doable. And yeah, I'm lucky to have access to these big, beautiful pines. Let me show you this one. This is just 3 logs up from the butt log, so it's really nice, really straight, really clear. I mean, it's not free. It's an absurdity of riches, really, for me to mill framing, 2x4 framing out of this. I think a lot of people would say it's crazy, but I don't care. It's really nice, easy to work with. It's not going to twist. I'm going to put it up green and it'll dry in place. And it's not going to shrink that much. It's really good, tight grain. It's beautiful wood. So I'm gonna go eat some sardines and then come down here and get to mill and see how many 2x4s I can get milled out this afternoon. And that's what I'm doing today on my day off. Pretty enjoyable way to spend a day. Yeah. Well, there's some heavy rain out there. Not sure if this is picking it up. I think I often try to film the rain because I'm so impressed by it, but maybe you aren't. Anyway, I want to walk you through the plumbing that I've gotten done here. And somebody will no doubt tell me how catastrophically horrific it's going to fail, but for now, this is what I got. I haven't glued anything up, so there's the soaker tub up there. The overflow runs into there. The main drain is right there, into the trap. Out this way, out this way. Long sweep, long sweep, long sweep. 45, all gentle. And then that's where we're gonna vent. So I think that's gonna be fine. I think that's called a wet vent. This is the shower. Long sweep, and that's the vent for the shower there. So that's its own vent. That's going to go up and ultimately connect to the stack, which will run out through the ceiling all the way up through the fascia like I did with the kitchen. So that's that right there. As you can see, I've taken most of that floor joist away, but I'm going to put another 2x8 right in next to it, just to make sure this is all wicked solid. Probably a fair dinkum bit of overkill, but I need not worry about that. So upstairs toilet and vent stack. Downstairs toilet, downstairs sink. So I think I'm getting there. Alright, lunchtime. Well, I'm gonna exercise first. Alright, well, this is the first, the toilet's actually plumbed as well. That's all set. But this is a little more dramatic. It's ridiculous. So yeah, this is the first thing that I'm plumbing, and well, that glue set up a little bit, and then yeah, I think this might work. I'm gonna connect it to supply and see if I can get some water running out of here. Wouldn't that be slick? Boy, oh boy. That'd be fun. Alright, I gotta go stoke the syrup stove. I guess I'll bring you along, why not, right? Alright, water is turned on to both toilet and sink. I don't need the hood on, obviously. There we go. Now let's see. Oh, baby, you. Giddy up. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's see how the toilet does. I mean, this toilet was free, but it is filling up. Oh my goodness. Far more exciting than it should be. Well, that was cool. Flushing toilet. Oh, it's too exciting. I'm far too simple for this. Look at that. Great news.
try to do a kind of a floor plan tour. It's sort of hard to tell in here, but this is the bathroom, the main bathroom up here. So that's going to be the shower there. I'm going to frame it around the tub. That's the vent stack for the shower. So, like a viewer suggested, and my friend Seth and a few other people, I'm going to put the door here to the bathroom, and that'll be a linen closet down there. So the stairs are right here. Come up the top of the stairs, and right there is the main bedroom. And have a big bed there. Got a closet here, door to the attic there. So that's facing due east. Should be a nice sunrise. Got this landing here. This is just kind of a little open area. I'm going to have this wall is going to be sheetrock, but I'm going to have a ship's ladder on a hook system that I can kind of pull out to get up to this loft. Let's take that there. I really enjoy that loft. I just come down here and sit sometimes in the quiet, and that's very enjoyable in the evenings. So this is the office in here. High ceilings, but a really nice view, and a walk out onto the balcony here, which is pretty slick. The garden down there. A little kind of computer nook or whatever under the balcony, or under the loft. And this is the guest room. So, got a transom window. I'm yet to frame this in, but I probably will this weekend with 2x3s. And there's a good sized closet here with a nice south-facing, big old south-facing window. Nice high ceilings here. There's the vent stack, main vent stack that goes out through the soffit. So that's the layout up here. I hope it makes a little more sense. It's pretty hard to convey this all with film, but I really like this whole staircase, and I like that big window there. That really worked out nicely. All right, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.